Good morning, students. Black 26, subject Geography. Today we are going to learn about the topic natural hazards. Students, what will we learn about in this black natural and human-made disasters, pre-disaster mitigation, post-disaster phase, disaster management. One by one you learn. Okay. Students, next you learn the aim. What is the aim of in this lesson? Able to classify natural and human-made disasters and explain the different mitigation strategies before a disaster and describe the mitigation strategies in the post-disaster phase. Students, next you learn the keywords. Today keywords are disaster, prevention, mitigation, preparedness, rehabilitation, reconstruction. These also the today keywords. Students, next you see the pictures. What can you identify in these pictures? These pictures also natural and human-made disasters. Students, I asking one example of natural and human-made disasters. Natural mean earthquake. Human-made disasters mean fire. Students, I asking one question, so listen carefully. What kinds of disaster is Tamil Nadu more prone to? Did you know, students? Yes. Tamil Nadu is more prone to disasters such as cyclones and floods. Students, I asking another one questions, so listen carefully. Which disasters are caused by nature and which are human made? Did you know, students? Yes, disasters like the tsunami, earthquake, cyclone and floods are natural disasters because they are caused by natural phenomenon. Students, human-made disasters are like a stampede and fire are human-made disasters because they are caused by human carelessness like overcrowding and faulty electrical wiring put by human beings. Students, next you see the table. Already I told the disasters. Natural disasters and human-made disasters. Natural disasters are earthquake, tsunami, cyclone, flood. And human-made disasters are stampede, fire, industrial disasters. Student, I asking one question. When can human carelessness lead to natural disasters? Did you know, students? Yes, when we do not take care of the environment, it can lead to climate change. Climate change in turn can cause natural disasters such as floods. Students, next you learn the pre-disaster mitigation. I asking one question, students, listen carefully. What safety rules should we follow to keep ourselves safe? Did you know, students? Yes, we follow road safety rules while walking or driving, or water safety rules while swimming. In the same way, we can follow some safety methods to protect ourselves during a natural disasters. Students, I asking one question. What are some ways in which we can protect ourselves from a disaster? Did you know, students? Yes, pre-disaster divided three types: prevention, mitigation, preparedness. Students, we can protect ourselves from disasters by being prepared for them. We can also make sure that we are aware of what safety measures to take when there is a natural disaster. Students, next I asking some of the questions. What is prevention and mitigation? Did you know, students? Prevention involves reducing the damage that could be caused by a natural disaster. And the next question, how does preparedness help when a disaster occurs? Preparedness helps us now when a disaster may occur so that a plan for the disaster can be made. Students, next you see the pictures. What are the difference between the two disasters? Pre-disaster and post-disaster. Pre-disaster means response, recovery, reconstruction. Post-disaster means prevention, mitigation and preparedness. This also the pre-disaster and post-disaster. Students, I asking one question. How can we help people when they get hurt or lost their homes? Did you know, students? Yes, we can help people by giving them medical help or shelter in our house, or help them find some other place to live. In the same way, we can help people who get injured or lost their homes to natural disasters. Students, I asking one question. What was done by the people and NGOs immediately after the Indian Ocean tsunami struck Tamil Nadu? Did you know, students? Yes, people immediately set up search and rescue groups to find those who were affected by the disaster, and the NGOs set up food and shelter. Thank you, students. You are observing the video and complete the worksheet.